Hi and welcome to London Meed Primary.
Today we are going to give you a tour of our amazing school and our facilities.
Come and follow us. Here we have our lovely London Meed sign,
And here are our school values,
which is bravery, community, curiosity, resilience and respect.
Good morning!
Good morning! There are so many questions that even we can't answer for you. I wonder who to ask, Eva.
I think we should ask Mrs. Langtry.
Of course, come on, let's go. Hi. We'd like to come in and ask you a couple of questions.
Fire away.
First question, why would you recommend London Meed?
Because we're just such a happy community. All of the children, the staff, the parents, we all just really enjoy being together. And when you're happy, you work really hard.
Next question, what's the best thing about working at the school?
Seeing everybody's faces at the gate every morning, and everybody is just so pleased to be at school, and I just love greeting everybody in the morning.
Does our school consist of that other learning facilities in West Sussex may not have?
We've got fantastic play spaces. We are very, very lucky that every single classroom opens straight out onto some outside space. Not all schools have that, and it certainly, I think, helps our behaviour because we've got plenty of space so people aren't on top of each other. Our classrooms are really big, they're modern, they're nice and bright, so it's a great atmosphere and environment to work in.
Do you think future pupils would enjoy our school community?
I know they would love to be part of our community, and we would all make them very welcome.
Thank you so much, Beth.
Thank you. Have a good day.
For answering our
Thank
questions.
you.
Hi.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. See you soon.
Crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break.
Welcome to Large Hall. This is where we can eat our food and
Also we have PE lessons and assemblies in here.
With the air, like I don't care.
it smells really good. Making me feel hungry.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room
This is
without.
3R. Let's go and say hi to Mr. Alfonso.
Clap along if you feel like.
Hi.
Hello, I'm Blake and Eva, how are you?
Hi.
This
Yes,
is
thank
3R, welcome to 3R. Say hi everyone.
Happiness is you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
It was nice to see Mr. Alfonso.
Let's go see Mr. Dalglish next door.
Hello, Mr. Dalglish.
Oh, hi Blake.
Hi.
Hi.
Say hello everybody.
Bring me down, I said. Bring me down. Can't none bring me down. The love is too high to bring me down. Can't none bring me down, I said. Clap along if you
Let's go and see Miss Winkley in year 2. Come on, Eva.
clap along.
Hi. Hello. Hi, TV.
Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high to bring me down. Can't none bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
Welcome to the Forest Court. It's secluded in the lovely, beautiful woodland area of London Meed.
Clap along if you know what happiness is.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Cobham. Come in, this is Cherry Class.
Like that's what you want to do. Clap along if you feel like.
Hello, so this is our cherry class. In here we have lots of different activities set up every day. And I spy Snappy here on the carpet. Now Snappy is Cherry Class's class pet. And every week a different child gets to take him home and do different activities with him.
Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel
everybody, I'm Miss Griffiths and I'm the Apple class teacher, and I'm very excited to be able to show you Apple class today. Now, don't worry, because if you are in Apple class, you also get to play in all the lovely areas that you've seen in Cherry class as well.
Down, can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high to bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel.
What clubs have you taken part in at London Meed?
I've done choir, netball and chess.
I have taken part in lots of clubs like cricket, football and athletics, which are all very fun.
How much home learning do you do each week in Year 6?
We do up to 10 to 12 spellings, 3 online maths tasks and an English task, and we also have to read 4 times a week.
How does our school keep you safe?
We have the fire drill to keep us safe. We have 5 people on our safety network to talk to if we're worried.
What sort of trips have you been on?
So we've been on lots of trips. We've been to Plumpton College, Smugglers Cove, and my favourite trip, Kew Gardens.
We went to Smugglers Cave in Hastings and a boat on the River Thames in London.
What is your favourite subject?
My favourite subject is maths.
My favourite subject is probably maths.
My favourite subject is English. My favourite subject is art.
My favourite subject is probably English because we have like loads of write-ons, non-chronological reports, chronological reports, letters.
Do pupils have a say at London Meed?
We do have a say at London Meed because we have the suggestion box, the class learning forum and the school council. We've enjoyed our 7 years here.
Please do not hesitate to contact the school if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Hey!
Oh. When I'm in the shop.
We go back.
We're trying to do it without the sheets to make it a bit more natural.
It is the other sheets we need. It's that one. Yes, that one. So we don't need them.
Bring me down, I said.